Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you about the website from where you can learn the best websites from where you can learn PHP. As you know, PHP is a very mostly used language in the world, programming language in the world. So I will tell you about the best website from where you can learn this skill easily. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will tell you about the best websites from where you can learn a particular premium skill, uh, which we are talking about. So guys, as you know our video format, first of all we will go to fiverr.com and let's check the demand and the competition of that skill, and then we will go towards our website. So I am going to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces from where you can sell your services online and people can buy it. So I write here PHP and click, and as you can see there are 7664 services available. That's great. Fiverr's choice. I will do PHP, MySQL, JavaScript development or fix bugs issues. I open three gigs, relevant gigs, this and this, mm, this. That's good. So let's analyze our first gig. This is SN from Pakistan. Okay, 1200 order completed. Basic CRM contact for custom CRM. Basically, he charged $40 for like basic CRM, but if you want to do customization of your websites, etc., so you have to contact him. And he completed orders, 1200 plus orders, and he do not charge $40 for each order. uh, $40 for each order. He charged, I think, almost 800 to $1000 for one order, and he completed 1200 orders. That's good. And you can see the reviews. He got 317 5-star reviews and he's Fiverr's choice. Great. So you can check out his uh, FAQs and also check out his gig description for the idea. So that's it for this gig. Let's analyze another gig. I will develop PHP website or will be your PHP developer. Ahmad, he's again from Pakistan. 344 orders completed. In basic package, he got 229 5-star reviews. Great. Basic package he charged $120. Basic simple and dynamic website with login 3 pages. Okay. In standard dynamic website or web application with API integration 5 pages. $350. Okay. In premium, he charged $595 and premium 10 pages website with custom design, including reports. That's great. You can also check out his profile and check out his gig description and take an idea what he's providing, and also compare his packages, and that's good. Also check out his FAQs to take an idea and make your gig according to it. Do not copy his gig, make your gig according to it means take an idea and write it in your own words. So that's it for this gig, and let's move towards our last gig. I will develop custom PHP script website. Himasha Mihiran from Sri Lanka. 187 orders completed, 147 5-star reviews. Great. In basic package, he charged $25. In standard, he charged $100 and provide basic PHP script. I will develop simple and dynamic PHP applications. Okay. In premium, he charged $400. Complex PHP script. I will develop a PHP script including complex functionalities. Great. So after that, you can check out his gigs description and his reviews, and also compare his packages and his FAQs. He got 147 5-star reviews. His all reviews are 5-star. That's great. You can analyze his gig. He's a good freelancer. So that's it. I think that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's move towards our websites. So the first website from where you can learn PHP is php.net. This is the official website of PHP documentation. You can click on documentation and start learning from these tutorials. View online English. and that's it. Basic syntax, types, variables, constants, expressions. These are the function references, FAQs. So these are the topics of PHP you can learn easily from here. So let's move towards our second website, which is called codeacademy.com catalog. And here I search for PHP. Learn PHP introduction, learn in PHP, learn from handling evaluation. You can choose any of the course for beginners. These all courses are for beginners, so you can choose. This is for intermediate, but first you can uh, choose a beginner course and then you can choose intermediate course. So that's it for this website. Let's move towards our last website, which is very famous website, which is called w3school.com. This website is also very easy to navigate and use. These also divide the topics in sections, and that's it. Once you complete this, you become a good PHP developer. They write English and tutorials in very easy language. You can easily understand it if you are not good at English. So this is the third website and recommended by me. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.